This guy is not afraid to drive this car.
Are you asking for someone to make a pull?
You can, yeah, go pull.
GTD, who gets to like jump in a GTD and take it for a rip? Not just a drive, to take it for a rip.
That sounds fire. Oh my God, that's unbelievable.
Okay, so I'm the lucky one. I get to go for the ride in the GTD.
I just glanced back there. I've never
You
even
should see
seen
it
that.
active. I'll show you something cool actually while we're just sitting here. And then it'll ask me if I want to lower it. If you can watch it.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
Cool, huh?
That might be my favorite
Right?
feature of the whole
Yeah,
car.
that's
That
pretty cool.
is neat. These seats are epic too.
Yeah, so this was actually one of the things with the performance package. You could get these seats, and it's sort of a throwback to one of the, I think, Celine.
Okay. We have our own personal drag strip out in front of the shop.
Right, I know. It's funny because someone's like, I said, oh, I'm running out to House of Booze. So like, that's on Bots Road. I'm like, yeah, that's the drag strip.
Yeah, used to be.
Right.
All right, here we go. Holy cow.
So then watch how fast we can stop. And grab even with the slick tires.
Oh my goodness.
And I wasn't even full on it because I knew we'd slide if I like totally went on it. And the brakes aren't even warmed up. Yeah, the thing
This thing just pins you back, like, but smoothly.
Yeah,
if that
right.
makes sense. It's not like a bang your head back type thing. It feels like similar to a GT500.
Right. I wish it was warmer because I would totally do this corner at like 120.
And I have no doubt that it would
And
take it.
Totally take it. I'll do another pull right here, and then if you want to video at the back, you can see the active arrow.
That is neat. And we just stop like it's nothing.
Right. That is the part that I love because this thing is heavy. It's 4,400 pounds. Even though it's an pretty much all carbon fiber body, it's still 4,400 pounds. All right, you want me to do a drive-by for you?
Yeah. You gotta be careful not to step on like the
Oh yeah.
side skirts here.
Right.
That sounded insane.
Does it?
You
I've never
wanted
been on the outside
Hey,
of it.
you wanted to hear the blower? You can hear the blower. It is crazy.
Sweet. I'll drive by and do it. I'll try to drop shift right here.
Cool. This guy is not afraid to drive this car. We love that. Amazing pulls.
Everything you need?
Yes.
Sweet.
That was awesome. Thank
Thanks,
you
that was
so
fun.
much.
Thanks,
Good
guys.
to meet you.
You too.
Are you asking for someone to make a pull?
You can, yeah, go pull. Go do it. I want to hear it go by.
I'm gonna race you in the Mystic.
How do you feel there?
This is one of lifetime experiences here.
Yeah.
GTD, who gets to like jump in a GTD and take it for a rip? Not just a drive, to take it for a rip.
Yeah, like I said, I've never been on the outside of it.
Really?
And I've only ever seen videos of the outside of it.
It sounds so cool.
But that pull is so linear, like I feel like I'm not really going very fast, you know? So I'm like, this thing
Right.
could be faster. Like,
Right.
I'm kind of like, it'd be so cool to tune this. Like another 100 horsepower, I think would
Yeah.
be awesome. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Damn, that sounds fire. Oh my God, that's unbelievable. Inside, you can't hear it at all. Like,
I
it's
know.
like, you're like,
It's
"Ah,
completely
Sunday
different
driver."
experience standing outside than inside.
Very rowdy on the outside. Yeah, the
Yeah.
inside is like, oh, it's very nice.
Yeah.
It's,
Yeah, it's
like,
cool.
it's super S650 on the inside.
Yes, yes.
Meant to be driven. Got to drive these things.
I agree.
I mean, cars are beautiful to look at, but driving's really where it's at. And the driving experience, like that's the whole joy of it. Like
Exactly.
And it's funny, the different cars that I've got, they all have, I have them specifically because they have different driving experiences. It's like some of my really old stuff, totally like out of control, rowdy driving experience.
Yeah.
This is definitely rowdy, but in control, which is kind of cool.
How does it look just seeing it from the outside cruising?
Oh, it's so sexy from the outside. Like
It is.
I say, it's thick, which I like thick, wide body cars.
That color is just unreal. And
Yeah, that was amazing. Yeah, I was like, from the inside, you don't hear that at all. That was awesome. Thank you.
What's your rating?
150% awesome.
See, I just was saying it could use another 100 horsepower.
So smooth. You just have to be mindful of the brakes.
Yeah.
You know, like when you go to touch them, it's just like, whoop, they're there.
They're there,
You
yeah.
know, so more used to like the bigger carbons, you know, and stuff like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
But like when I touch the brakes like there's like, I was like, okay, it's got a lot of brakes.
Right.
So,
See
oh
ya.
man, that was awesome.
Sweet.
Oh,
I
Jordan.
love that car. That thing's awesome.
We appreciate you coming out.
Oh,
This
so
has
much
been
fun.
a once in a lifetime experience for all of us, I think. So this is really
So much
awesome.
fun.
Especially
Thank you
gonna
so
make a
much.
blast in it.
Right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, absolutely. Like I said, they're meant to be driven. I love sharing cars with everybody, especially younger populations. Like I really want to promote that car enthusiast from younger age all the way up.
We need the kids
What do they need to do?
to like, subscribe, share, comment.
All the
Just
things.
appreciate all this awesome stuff we
All
bring
this stuff.
in
Yeah.
from awesome people like this.
Absolutely love it.
So
Thank you for having me. Thanks for
brother.
all the work you do
Appreciate
with me.
it. Yeah,
We'll bring the Ford GT in next.
that's awesome.
We'll get that on the rollers, see what it does.
That'd be super awesome.
All
For
right.
real.
Awesome,
All right.
Thanks, man.
It's great to